Hi guys, hello. This week has not been it hasn't really been the best, but we thank God for life. Saturday is elections. This vlog has nothing to do with that, but you know, still come out and vote. Okay, go out and vote, guys. So anyways, this is a maintenance vlog because I feel like shit. I feel crappy. So I want to make my hair, hence why I'm actually tying a scarf right now. I want to make my hair. If I can, I probably will get my wax done. I don't know if I'll do any other thing. Maybe my nails, I doubt that, but maybe just paint it and just make it look good for my videos. So yeah, that is what this video is about. I hope you guys enjoy it. The sound in the car is always shitty, so I had to say hello here first. So yeah, let's do this. This is horrible, the worst intro I've ever done, but it's fine, it works. Enjoy the vlog. Today I'm trying to be cheap. Let me tell you guys about this walker. I don't want to start the car because if I start now, the audio will be shitty. So let me talk to you guys before I head out. I'm trying to be cheap, so I don't want to go to any aesthetic salon. I'm going to be honest, I'm trying to be cheap. So the problem is the lady I want her to make my hair. Is that English even correct? The lady that is supposed to make my hair is supposed to be home service, but she's coming all the way from Jikoi. So what I want to do now is I want to go and bring her. So the drive is like 30 minutes to her and then 30 minutes back. So that's like an hour to bring her to my house to make my hair, just because she doesn't have cash. And I just feel like it's a waste of money to use Uber. I don't know, guys, does it make sense? Like, wouldn't I have paid, like just booked an Uber, did transfer for the guy? But why do I think it's more economical to go and pick her and bring her back, and then usually, like, I'll literally not waste so much fuel, and even if I will, I'll use the money I'm supposed to pay Uber guy to buy fuel. Does that make sense? Am I smart or what? Am I smart or dumb? I don't know. So yeah, that is basically what I want to do first. I'm going to go and pick her, and then we'll come back home to do my hair. Yeah, so I've picked Ruth. Let's say hi. Why is she looking so fine? I don't like it at all. It's true, you know. Oh my god, this thing needs to bite my body. Yeah. It's long, Abby. Ruth, so you were saying how many hours has this hair been now? 2 hours. And then how many hours more?
3 hours more.
3 hours more. Okay.
The next day.
Okay, so guys, it's literally the next morning, and I don't know, I just lost interest in vlogging entirely because there's no lights. They took the lights yesterday. Actually, apparently the light has spoiled, but it's not for this video. Anyways, I'm done with my hair. I did my nails, and Ruth is going back. Ruth, say hi. Ruth is going back, so I have to go and drop her now. What am I even speaking? I have to go and drop her now. But let me shower and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. I just finished waxing. I want to go home now and shower, do my skincare. I don't know, but I feel put together already. I feel better than I felt when I started this video. I didn't do my nails, but I painted it and I think they look cute. I'm talking too much. I'm not going to talk to you guys all through this what's it called? Oh, sorry. Just because I was trying to be cheap, you won't believe where I drove to from my house to come and wax. This is like a 35 minutes drive. But yeah, I mean, I am done waxing and I just spent 3,500 naira when they were calling 10,000 naira for me near my house. I'm like, no, hold on, I hope I don't fuck this up. Am I supposed to say the F word on YouTube though? Okay, so yeah, I drove a long way just because I wanted to wax at a more affordable rate. Is it worth it? Yeah, it is. Except from the heat that is killing me right now. I mean, it's absolutely worth it. I know this audio might be shitty, but yeah, YouTube has to stop messing with me when it comes to my quality. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys at home. I saw something on Instagram that says making your hair is a form of skincare, and I couldn't agree less, because even just making my hair like this, the glow is already glowing, if there's any word like that. But I want to do my skincare, so I'm going to start with this product. The reason why I'm even doing this is because if you remember at the beginning of this vlog, I said that I wasn't feeling too well, and I wasn't just feeling like myself. I really was feeling really down and just terrible. I decided to start by making my hair because I knew that maybe one of the reasons why I wasn't feeling myself was when I look in the mirror, I just don't like the reflection I see. I wouldn't say I'm not beautiful, but you know, sometimes you just need to get yourself together. So quick tip for anybody who is feeling, you know, you're in a funk, you don't feel like yourself, you're not in a creative space, just try and take care of your body, take care of yourself. You know how there's something called retail therapy? Yes, like if you don't feel great, go and buy something. Applies here. If you don't feel great, go and take care of yourself. Change your weave, make a new hair, do your nails, go for facials. You don't have to even be extravagant with it. Spend the bare minimum and take care of yourself. So I'm going to go in with this serum. Can you see it? I used to be obsessed with skincare, but not necessarily because I wanted to. It was because I needed to. And if you don't know what that means, I suffered terribly from acne, and there was a time it was really bad. Like, it was terrible. So I needed to go into the skincare world, and I spent heavily on it. If you're a girl, anybody watching this, you know that skincare is really expensive, and I just couldn't keep up. I just felt like I can't have like a 10-step routine just because I have acne and I keep breaking out. So eventually I was able to find like a simple routine for myself. But you know, sometimes laziness can get in the way. You don't do your skincare as often as you should. You don't exfoliate. You don't do all those things that is required of you, and then your skin ends up not looking as great as you should. I know I'm blabbing, but this is just to encourage you guys to invest in skincare. And I'm not talking about thousands and thousands of naira. I'm just saying, buy the barest minimum and take care of your skin. Your skin will love you. So yeah, so next I'm going to go in with my vitamin C serum. I don't know why I was calling it something else. So we're gonna take that and apply. Last, I'm going to go in with this moisturizer. So it's the Jumiso snail and see, I'm just giving these people free. This is not an ad, guys. It's not an ad. Again, this thing, I don't know how I use it. Like, it smells like lemon zest. I don't know why. Why does it smell like lemon zest? Yeah, I'm not making it up. It actually smells like lemon zest. And I don't know why it does that. I genuinely just wanted to show you guys that you can do this with the smallest amount of money. You can do this with less, you can even do this with way less. And I know that when many maintenance videos always cost so much, you have to spend on this. Your own maintenance routine might be something more elaborate than mine. It might require so much more. That's fine. If it's lesser than mine, that's fine. Let me give you guys a rundown of what I spent today, between yesterday and today. So I braided my hair. This hair cost 9,600 inclusive of extensions. Yes, inclusive. Why is that difficult for me to pronounce? Inclusive of my attachments. I did home service, and I was supposed to pay for her transport to come, but because I went to bring her and then take her back, I did not need to pay for that. My nails cost me, I didn't do my nails, I just painted it, and I just think I needed a break from fixing, and I think they look cute. I look put together. This cost me 1,000 naira. She did that as well. And then I went to do my waxing. I know a lot of people are not a big fan of this, but I really like it. Not because it's not painful, don't get it twisted. It's actually quite painful, but that cost me 3,500 naira. Now I did tell you guys that I actually took a trip to do that, because where I usually wax, the price for my underarms and the bikini area is 10,000 naira. No, actually 8,000 naira. But I don't know, I didn't want to spend that money, so I went down to where I went to. But I went down, and then it cost me 3,500 naira. So that is 13,100 naira plus, no, I didn't add like my nails, painting my nails. That's 1,000. So that's 14,100. So with less than 15,000 naira, I was able to put myself together. My skincare, I would not add skincare to it, because I believe that you might have products in your house. You don't have to use like an elaborate routine. You don't have to have so much. Just a simple serum and moisturizer, you're good to go. And I promise you, you're going to feel so much better. And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Also share it on social media. Tag me. My handle is on the screen. Leave me a comment, and I can't wait to talk to you in my next video. Bye.